Hello guys, this is me again. As I promised, I'm going to show you another one of the class components that we have for this semester, which is the class project. Okay, so welcome to this one. I hope you enjoy working on it. The title of this project is Take Action. Be part of the change in our university. Well, here you have. First of all, the objectives of this project are interacting fluently and naturally about daily situations, using complex vocabulary and grammar structures correctly, describing topics related to problems and solutions, and expressing pros and cons about a topic. In terms of methodology, you can do this work individually or by pairs. You decide that, but be careful. You must decide it before the beginning of the project. Okay? If you start the project individually, well, you must finish it individually. And same at the opposite. Well, the first stage of this project will be a brainstorming phase, okay, in which you will identify a problem at the Javeriana University. You have to make some research about this problem. What does it mean, that research? Well, you have to answer questions like, does the same happen in other universities? What kind of problem is it? Is it a social problem, technical problem, architectural problem? Well, I don't know, politics or policies better. How could you contribute to the solution from your professional perspective? Because each one of you is studying a different career, so I would like you to connect it somehow to your field of studies. If it's not possible, well, you can also connect it to some of your interests or hobbies, entrepreneurs. Well, I don't know. First submission or first assignment that you will have is to create an infographic or a mind map or some slides or a poster. I don't know. It depends on your abilities. Okay, in which you can describe the main problem that you have identified in the brainstorming stage. You have to give me some examples of that problem that you identified, and it must be somehow attractive, okay, to the reader. So please make sure to use any of these kind of web apps like Canva, Infogram, Genially, Google, well, Prezi. But well, if you want to work in PowerPoint or Word, Paint, I don't know. It depends also in your technological skills. The due date for you to send it to me, it's August the 22nd. You must send me, I hope if you can send me a PDF format, that's much better. If it is a picture like JPG or something like that, well, all those PNG or all those formats, it's okay. But send it to me, okay? First submission. Probably you could also upload it in Brightspace. We will see. We will see. But first thing you have to do, infographic. For the second submission, you will have to write, well, sorry, before I go to the second submission, I must say, please focus on this first submission now, okay? Starting today, it's August the 4th, so I would like you to please start working on this one urgently, okay? Because the due date is August the 22nd. The other ones, well, I will explain in more detail in the tutorships or something, but in here I'm gonna be very brief, okay? So for the second submission, you will have to write a persuasive text in which you describe the solution. Okay, well, of course, you have to tell me what's the problem that you selected or you identified better, and then proposing, sorry, certain solution from your professional perspective. Well, as you're starting a career, I want you to take it seriously and make a formal speech in that written production, okay? Include references because since you made a research, it's important to quote those references properly, like using APA style, okay? The due date for that one, October the 3rd. Please do not translate. It means do not use electronic translators. That's not suggested. And avoid plagiarism, of course. Use the text structure, introduction, body, and conclusion. That's a very common text structure that I can explain in one of the tutorships how to do, how to deal with that. Sorry. And the third submission will be a video. You will become a YouTuber, as I am, to convince your audience about your ideas or proposal to that problem that you identified. You will have to upload it on YouTube and send the link to me. Okay, I will create a Padlet in which I will include all the videos, and you will have to give it a like or comment your partner's work. That one would be for November the 6th. That's why I was saying now, please first focus on the first submission. Here are video conditions. The video must include the most important ideas. Your face must be all the time in the video. Reading is not permitted. The video must last 5 minutes maximum. You must include topics and vocabulary expressions from the virtual book. Of course, it's a speaking exercise, so pronunciation, intonation, and fluency will be taken into account as for the evaluation. Here is the general schedule. The first submission, August the 22nd, send me the infographic. The second submission, it's a Word document. And the third submission, you have to send a link. Probably we will work on Brightspace, or well, we will see how it goes. About the weighting, all the deliveries will correspond exactly to the same percentage, 33.3%. And well, if you have any question, you can ask me by email or come to the tutorships or tutoring sessions to solve your doubts about it. Well, thank you so much. Hope to see you soon. Bye.